Manufactured by Zebra AS. Oh yeah, flyingtiger.com. Yeah, I knew there was something about tiger in it somewhere. So, we'll have a go at it. We're sitting in the car. It's raining pretty heavily. And Nanny's visiting her friends, so I'm keeping myself occupied. Normally I'd probably walk down to the charity shops from here, but being as it's raining so hard, I'm not going to bother. Oh, laser cut. Ah, the other one was a stamped one, die stamped. But this one is laser cut. Oh gosh. Well, those instructions look identical to the ones that I've just done for the little one. And we've got a nice print there, but if you really wanted to, you could scan in and 3D print multiple copies. You've got a little gel pack to keep it dry. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.